Hello everyone, today I will guide you to grow clean cucumbers at home. Before sowing, I take 50 ml of hot water and 100 ml of cold water, mix well and soak the seeds for 30 minutes. Soil for planting seedlings is very important, so I choose loose soil with lots of organic matter. The seeds have been soaked for 3 hours. Now I take them out to plant in a small cup. After sowing the seeds, I will water them a little to keep them moist so that the seeds can germinate quickly. Now I will use discarded plastic chairs to grow plants. I cut plastic sheeting to cover the 4 sides of the chair and punch drainage holes to prevent the plant from sinking and rotting when I watered. I took a small plastic bottle as a wick to pour water into. To make the soil loose, I mixed rice husks into the soil to make it loose. Now the seeds have germinated and grown into young plants. I plant them in prepared soil. After planting, the tree needs to be watered regularly to keep moist. Oh, after 15 days, the plant has taken root and is growing very well. Once the plant has rooted, I will weed and lightly till the soil so the plant does not sow soil into the soil. Now I will spread some rice husks on the surface of the soil to keep the soil moist. At this stage, the plant needs a lot of nutrients. I mix 1 egg with water to water the plant. Eggs contain a lot of calcium, a substance necessary for plant growth, helping plants stay healthy and stimulating rapid root growth. At this stage, the plant has grown and flowered. I need to make a trellis for the plant to climb. The plant needs a lot of nutrients to grow, so I will add some worm castings to the plant. The plant always needs high humidity, so I will water it with some clean water. To repel pests, I squeeze fresh lemon juice and mix it with clean water to spray on the plants. At this stage, the plant has flowers and small fruits. I pollinate the male flowers with the female flowers to stimulate the fruit to grow taller. To fight the old and large leaves in the battle of nutrients with the tree, I will cut the large leaves below. To get big and lots of fruit, I add nutrients to the plant with worm castings. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Oh, after 2 months, the tree had a lot of fruit. Now I can eat freely. I don't have to go to the market to buy melons anymore. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.